On June 5, 1898, in Kawit, Cavite, Filipino revolutionaries led by Emilio Aguinaldo gathered in secret to plan the final steps of their struggle. As U.S. forces arrived in Manila, Spain's control crumbled. Seamstresses in Cavite crafted the first national flag. On Proclamation Day, Aguinaldo stood on a balcony and raised the new flag as music filled the air. Streets of Kawit erupted in celebration with lanterns, dancing, and fireworks. It was a powerful declaration of national identity, even as foreign powers loomed. In 1777, in Valley Forge, Pennsylvania, the Continental Army arrived weak and starving. Bitter cold and disease claimed hundreds of lives. Soldiers built crude huts and endured months of hardship. In early 1778, Baron von Steuben arrived, bringing European discipline and order. He taught drills, formations, and bayonet use, transforming raw recruits into soldiers. As spring dawned, a new army emerged, confident, organized, and ready to challenge the British forces. On June 14, 1777, in Philadelphia, the Second Continental Congress adopted the first official American flag. In a small workshop, Betsy Ross began stitching 13 stars into a blue field, symbolizing unity among the colonies. Meanwhile, Continental Army soldiers raised this new banner on the battlefield, its stripes waving defiantly. In towns, citizens celebrated with pride, hanging flags from windows and cheering in the streets. As dawn rose on a new era, the flag became more than cloth. It was a symbol of hope, unity, and a future of freedom.